Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to limit charging to save battery life on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. First of all, let's turn the PC off by going to the Start menu, then Power Options, Shut Down. Wait until your laptop is fully turned off. So wait for the power indicator on your power button to go off, and once it does, you're gonna have to turn your PC on by short pressing the power button once again, and then right after pressing the power button, start repeatedly pressing Escape button on the other side of your keyboard. So just repeatedly press Escape button once you turn your PC on, and wait for the startup menu to appear on your screen. Once you see the startup menu, we're gonna have to go to the BIOS menu. In order to enter it, we're gonna have to press F10 button and wait for it to appear on the screen. Now here, we're gonna have to navigate between the tabs that you can see at the top using either our touchpad, if you can navigate here using your touchpad, and or you can use left and right arrow keys to navigate between tabs, and up and down buttons to select to navigate between options. And this way we're gonna have to navigate to first Configuration tab, and once you are in the Configuration tab, navigate down to Battery Health Manager, and then press Enter and enable this feature. And enabling this feature, as you can see, the will limit battery charging capacity to 80%, which means that your charger will automatically stop charging your device once your battery reaches 80%, and this will significantly increase your battery life in the long term. To apply these settings, press F10 and Enter and wait for your device to restart. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.